Hey guys, Basho here. So for this week's video, we're coming to the end of 2018, and I thought, it's been like 10 years that I've been on YouTube almost. It all started way back when I published my first video on my other channel about an adult learn to swim class that my wife was taking when we were at university and graduate school. From there I learned that there was an amazing community on YouTube, that people were watching stuff to learn, and that people connected in the comments. And so since that time I've started publishing my own stuff. I've done collaborations with Cool School and collaborations with Tayo. I wrote a song for Sesame Street where Gina Rodriguez is singing the ABCs with Elmo. We've done songs in Spanish, in French, in Chinese, in English, animations, live action. So I thought that it might be interesting at the end of this year do a wrap up, like 10 years of Basho and Friends in like a few minutes. So you can see all the things that we've done, and I'll put links to all the videos in the description below. Thanks for an amazing 2018. I've got my fingers crossed that I've got a collaboration coming at the end of this year. Stay tuned and you'll find out. Thanks for all the support. If you know somebody that you think might like the content, please share with them. Please subscribe to the channel, and yeah, take care of yourselves and take care of one another. Love you guys. Have a great end of the 2018. Peace.
I was never afraid of the water. It's just that in my mind, children learn how to swim. If you don't learn when you're 8, 9, or 10, then that's it. The boat is gone.
Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo. Baila, baila, muévelo así. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo. Muévelo, muévelo así.
你看到那些颜色了吗？哇，好漂亮啊！我唱，你听。
2 feet, 2 hands, you can do it, Monkey Man. 2 feet, 2 hands, you can do it, Mr. Monkey Man.
Hey Cosmo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Quieres aprender el alfabeto con nosotros? Órale, será fácil. Solo canta con nosotros. ¿Listo? 1, 2, 3. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Gracias. ¿Y usted? Good, nice.
1、2、3、4。
Nice.
2。Hola amigo, ¿cómo estás?
Say what?
¿Cómo estás? How are you? I'm speaking Spanish. Don't you know Spanish?
Oh, I don't speak Spanish.
Oh, well it's easy. I can teach you.
I'd like to learn. Do you want to learn Spanish? We walk with Basho, walk with Basho. We walk with Basho, walk with Basho. I say 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4. Basho and his friends, we walk to the door. We walk with Basho, walk with Basho. Alright, really good job. Alouette, gentille alouette, alouette, je te plumerai. Alouette, gentille alouette, alouette, je te plumerai. Dos, tres, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we got a video about tamales that are made in these corn husks, and in order to do this collaboration, I pulled in my girl Carol, who's gonna do a little dancing with us, and then we jump over to her channel to actually make a craft with the corn husks that you make tamales with. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Tamales, tamales, tamales. ¿Quién quiere tamalitos? Tamales, tamales. Están bien calientitos. Tamales, tamales. ¿Quién quiere tamalitos? Well, here's here's a little story I've got to tell about three dope sisters you know so well. It started way back in history with Imani, Pamela, and the crafty Jackie B. Now life was tough in the B-girl house. Food was scarce after sharing with their mouse. There was nothing in the pantry and nothing in the pan. That's when Jackie B said, I gotta come up with a plan.
Hi friends, my name is Tayo. Today, Basho and I are going to sing a Christmas carol in Spanish.
He's a friendly little bus.
Ho, 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 ho. Feliz Navidad from Basho and Friends. Feliz Navidad amigos, Feliz Navidad amigos, Feliz Navidad amigos, celebramos así. When you meet a friend and you don't know what to say, just sing this song and get ready to play. Hola, hola. In Spanish that means hi. Hola, hola. You can do it if you try. Hola, hola. In Spanish that means hi. Alright, now try this with me. Oh yeah, here we go. It's the Basho and Friends show. You ready to do this with us? 1, 2, 3. I was a teacher, loving my time in the classroom. It was a fast room, blast from the past room. Singing songs and making up math tunes. Kids were learning like a garden in full bloom. Bilingue was how we rolled. Musical lessons in Inglés y Español. Inspired by my mentors, I was reaching for the sky. Dreaming of a legacy, so that is why I pedí a mis amigos si me pueden ayudar. Help me build the city so that we can take it far. Music, video, cartoon animation, and comments from our fans, it's our mutual creation. So without further ado, honored to share with you a humble hip-hop show, yo, this is what we do. Oh! It's the Basho and Friends show, featuring Rexy, Athena, Brobot, and Raptor, and me, Basho, and you too. Your ideas might make it in the show too. Sing songs, share fun, and learn lots of stuff. Welcome to Breaksburg, y'all. Come make a show with us.
It's an old track that I remixed. It's like a rap song now. So let's give it a try. Let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for the support, and we'll see you next week. Peace.
Hey, hey, esta es una canción acerca de los animales. Vamos al bosque para aprender qué pasa allí. Animales por aquí y por allá, yo. Animales bailan cha-cha-cha, yo. Animales arriba, animales abajo, animales bailan cha-cha-cha.
Love you guys. Have a great end of the 2018. Peace.
Animales bailan cha-cha-cha, yo. Animales arriba, animales abajo, animales bailan cha-cha-cha.